Discord, which is one of the internet's most popular messaging places. Their test suite has got to the point where running a single test can take about 13 seconds. This is largely due to the fact that they have a global configuration file that does a huge amount of importing, which they refer to as importing the universe. So with apologies to Carl Sagan, if you wish to make an apple pie from scratch, the first thing you must do is import the universe. So
billions and
billions. So as you can imagine, having this kind of startup time is frustrating. But beyond that, it tends to have a social effect of developers not wanting to run the tests as frequently, which of course is bad. If it takes a while to run a test, I might go off to my email or some other distraction and lose my train of thought. So there's consequences to this besides just, hey, 13 seconds. Mr. Feinstein's solution is a daemon. What he's done is build a script that starts and does the PyTest initialization, i.e. importing the universe, then sits and does nothing. And when you need to run a test, it gets invoked by the daemon, which then hot reloads the test in question and avoids the startup cost. So an empty test that took 13 seconds the old way now takes only 0.4 seconds if you pass it off to the daemon. Running tests with complex dependencies where you've got to do some tricky reloading stuff is up to about 2 to 4 seconds, but those same tests take 17 to 20 seconds without the daemon. So overall, their median test time went from 20 seconds down to 2. So they've even written a VS Code plugin that can take advantage of the daemon. So it's a neat little solution to kind of an ugly problem, and it's a different way of thinking about things.